Hey, Sergio.
Hey, Carl. So I wanted to reinforce it because it cracked really bad and it started cracking all over the place. So
Oh, yeah.
I put a little more well.
Looks good.
Doesn't break.
Yeah.
I know it's a little burnt because I was having a little bit of trouble welding this.
Okay.
For some reason, it's not pure
Stainless steel?
stainless steel. It's cheap stainless steel and really
Oh.
thin. But yeah, but it worked out. I put a little more.
Yay.
More well, so it doesn't break it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Which machine is it? Which one is the welder that does it?
This one right here.
Oh, the one on the left?
So,
Wow. So does the TIG machine can also do MIG, or it can only do TIG?
no, you can do only TIG and arc.
Okay. Wow. That's it right there, huh? That side?
This needle is the one that produces like a gray, and then start melting, and then
Oh.
you follow the flow. It's a little tough because I had a little hard time because of the power on this building is not that strong, and these guys require a lot of power.
Oh. Do you have to use you have the same helmet? No different?
Yeah, I use it.
Okay. Wow. Very nice.
So I know probably you can use the MIG welder with a stainless steel. I don't know if you can use it or not, but I think so.
So
Or arc welder with
yeah.
stainless steel rod as well, but it's not gonna be nice well.
Got it. Yeah.
Well,
So
this one is not nice anyway, but
we did some research on the MIG. We can get stainless steel wiring, but we also have to get a different tank, different gas setup,
it's gonna be pouring out going,
something like that. So, yeah, just for a little small weld, I would have to get a different tank.
No, every time something breaks, bring it over.
Aw, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, can I give you any money?
Oh, don't worry about it. No.
Yeah? Okay.
Don't worry about it.
Well, if we get fish, then you take fish, right? Okay, cool.
So yeah, just put a nice review on Google if you haven't put it on, or Yelp, whatever.
Say again?
Put a good review on Google or Yelp.
Oh yeah, let me do that.
If you haven't done it.
Okay, I haven't done it, but I will do it very soon.
Yeah, whenever you get a chance, sit down, don't have nothing to do.
Yeah.